It's important to distinguish between exploring histograms and publishing them. If you're exploring histograms, here's some code that you can use. You always want to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I enjoy setting the figure size because I just think it's nice to look at larger images. So that's plt.rcparams. And then in the brackets, you put in figure.fig size. And then you set that equal to your length and width that you like. Since I'm in large, I'll go with 10 and 6. And then I like to import Seaborn for the nice background. So import Seaborn as SNS and then do SNS.set. Okay. And so there's some sort of like general code that can work for really a range of plots. And then you can simply check out some different plots. So you can do plt.hist, and then inside of the parentheses, just pick your column. And so for instance, let's check out cholesterol, and I'll do plt.show always, see what we get. Okay, we get a histogram that looks like this, ranges of cholesterol, that they range from, it looks like, I don't know, around possibly 50 to over 500. And, you know, we can do more. So let's do this one, plt.hist, and let's go df. And CP here stands for chest pain. Okay. CP is chest pain. Sorry about that. And let's go ahead and show this one. And so, you know, this is patients reporting their different levels of chest pains. And this is interesting because we have a broken histogram, and the idea here, which you might be able to capture, is that there are actually only 4 values of chest pain that are in here. And so this is important because histograms, technically speaking, are designed to show a continuous range of values. When you have discrete values for your columns, and it's only like a few, these are considered categorical columns, okay? And so I would say when it comes to categorical columns, a histogram is not the best approach. Instead, you can use what are called bar charts.